scans the meme pool for liquidity transaction, and snipes your desired token in few milliseconds. Constantly updates anti-bot, avoiding the systems. Bot is updated frequently, and the newest version beats most known anti-bot system. The customers sniped even the most hyped tokens and were only the front runners on the launch. You can instant download it after you make the payment. Basically, Sniper Bot allows you to buy newly added tokens from Pancakeswap and Uniswap in a very good amount of speed, up to 0 seconds from the time of liquidity transaction shows up in the meme pool. It is also known as front running, which can make you a big amount of profit. The bot works by connecting to the blockchain network, scanning for all meme pools, pending transactions, and finding and matching the liquidity at transactions of the token that you're trying to snipe, and then placing and buy order in the same block. Pancake Sniper also works great with Pancakeswap V2, and once Uniswap V3 comes out, a free update will be available as well. The tool is quite easy to use, and for anybody who likes some assistance on using it and setting it, there will be detailed instructions with screenshots which will guide you on different steps that you have to take to run and how to connect it to the bot. It is very easy to do. Trust Wallet will work as well, but MetaMask is highly suggested as it gives more control. The bot is wrote in Java language, and if you're wondering if this is a scam project or not, it's better if you read the FAQ section over here, which gives you more information about that. So that's pretty much it. Overall, this bot looks quite promising, and that was one of the reasons we wanted to introduce it in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.